In this video, I'll show you how to verify your YouTube account without phone number. First, open YouTube and sign in to your account. Click your profile icon in the top right corner and select YouTube Studio. Next, click Settings in the bottom left corner. Go to Channel, then open the Feature Eligibility section. Under Intermediate Features, click Verify Phone Number. If you do not want to use your personal number, you can use a publicly available phone number to do this. Go to free.io, choose a country, for example, the United States. A list of online phone numbers will appear. Select one that is currently active and click Check. Inbox, now copy the phone number and return to YouTube. Studio, add it. Select your country, enter a valid phone number that you have access to, and click Next. You'll receive a verification code by text message or voice call. Enter the code on the verification page and follow the on-screen instructions. Once the verification is complete, your account will have access to additional YouTube features, such as uploading longer videos, adding custom thumbnails, and live streaming when eligible. And that's how you can verify your YouTube account.